Good morning everyone. Today I will use linear regression to solve a problem. My name is Atta Ulhayee and I am from DHSOFI University, Pakistan. The question given to us is that find the value of a1 and a0 for the equation I is equals to a1 plus a0 v, where the table for I and v is given below. Now the table for I and v is this green box, in which v has value of 0.6 till 1.1 and I has a value of 0.01, 0.05, 0.2 and so on till 4.0. Now this equation given to us is a linear equation. So and here we already know we know that I is a dependent variable and v is an independent variable. If it is it can also be stated in the question also that v is that I is a dependent variable as it is changing as he or she is changing the value of v. So v is an independent variable and I is dependent variable. Now we will construct a table like this, in which the value in which I have taken the product of vi and v square. Now why v square? We will take the product of that variable that is independent. So here v was independent variable, so I have taken the product of v. Now we will sum up the values and it is coming. V has the summation of v values of v is 5.1, summation of value of I is 6.96, summation of product of v and I is coming 7.231 and summation of v square is coming 4.51. Now we will find now as we have to find the constants. So first we will find that constant which is multiplying with the independent variable. In our case the independent variable is v and that the constant that is multiplying with this variable is a0. So we will first find the value of a0. For finding a0 we will use this formula, that is n summation of vi minus bracket open summation of v multiply by summation of I bracket close divided by n summation of v square minus bracket open summation of v bracket close square. Okay, so we already know the value of summation of vi, that is 7.231, summation of v v that is 5.10, summation of I that is coming 6.96 and summation of v square that is coming 4.51 and the value of n is 6. So all these values were they were obtained from this table that we have constructed previously. So we will plug this value in the formula to find the value of a0. Now that is coming 7.514. okay, now we have to find the value of a1. For finding a1 we have you can see that I have changed the formula a little bit with a sign here over I and v. Now these sign represent that I am taking the averages of these variables. So for for finding I, we average of I will simply divide the summation of values of I that is taken from the table by n, that is 6. So the summation of I was coming 6.96 and we will divide with 6 is and that is coming 1.16. Similarly, I will find the average value of v, that is coming 0.85 by dividing summation of vi with n, that is 6. Okay, so we already know the value of a0, that is 7.514 calculated previously. So we will plug the values of a0 and I bar I average and v average. So we will find the value of a1, that is coming minus 5.2269. Thus the equation will be like I is equals to minus 5.2269 plus 7.514 v. So we have used the linear regression here to find a relation between relation, so that we can find if we have any value of v, we can find the value of I. The table that was given to us previously initially will make a graph like this. Let me class like this. But now as we have made a relationship, so to find the value of I for value of v, so now the graph will look like let me grab a pen here. Okay, now the graph will look like this. So we have made a relationship here that is of this line is of y is equals to basically I is equals to a1 plus a naught v. So I have made a relationship to find the value of v, where can I find the value of I from the table. So thank you for watching.